It's a beautiful beach of Manhattan Beach, California, and we're at our latest sustainable project here in Manhattan Beach. And we're in a backyard, actually. This backyard a couple of days ago was grass, old grass, hadn't been watered in so long the grass wasn't even hardly alive. So we came in and we installed a pathway. You can see that's a decomposed granite pathway. Put the border in, kind of snaked it through to the other side, and we left mostly native plants. The plants that aren't natives are food plants, such as apple trees. And let's take a closer look at this. So we've got the salvia bonbons right here. These are like our California answer to the lavenders. And then we have a salvia. We have the Allen Chickering. That was the Allen Chickering. This is the Salvia clevelandii. This is a non-native, but it's a Fuji apple. The ultra dwarf Fuji apple. These are the Salvia clevelandii. They're not from Cleveland, Ohio. They're from California. And we've also got the manzanita, our own. We've got a couple of those. Here's the Allen Chickering, and then here's the salvia, and then that's the manzanita. So over here we have another non-native. It's actually a Meyer lemon, but lemon prices are going up, if you've noticed. So Homer decided we're going to grow our own. This is a cistus, a rock rose, and then we put in the flagstone soft set patio in decomposed granite, and we actually have a fountain here. So you can see over here, this is there's going to be a bench that's put here. The homeowner will be able to come and enjoy the fountain. The fountain will act as a drinking fountain for the pollinators, the bees and the birds and so on. It'll be oxygenated, and then it has an autofill. So the nice thing about it is an autofill will actually keep it filled up with water, so the homeowner doesn't have to fill it up with water. Here's a solar light. You can see the little solar cell on the top right there. So that'll light this baby up at night. When it gets dark, it automatically turns on. Here's another Fuji apple, but this is not the ultra dwarf. So this is going to get big enough. It'll be able to produce a head that's going to be able to provide a screen between the two neighbors over here. And then we have a pink mullygrass and another rock rose. There's culture going on underneath this. A lot of nutrients when you bury wood. And here is, we put for the pump temporarily, we put the Owasso 420. So if you're going to build a pot fountain like that, you want to use the Owasso 420. Unless you're going to use solar, then that's a whole other thing. We added a hose bib over here, and then we also added the timer for the drip irrigation. I'll talk about that a little bit. The timer is actually a solar-powered dig timer, so you'll never need to replace batteries. And the drip irrigation is all along the bottom underneath the mulch. So in fact, we can see a little tiny bit of it right here. We can see the drip irrigation, the shiny part there. Okay, so we're going to add a little more mulch here so that we don't see any more bark. We don't see any hose, so just around this area. And the reason you want to use the bark is because it actually creates a situation where you have mycorrhizal fungi that grows underneath, goes really deep down, that it provides a nutrient source for your plants. And yeah, just can't say enough good about this. It's just a native garden with foodstuffs. So this was an already existing fig tree, but yeah, we left it because it's really going to provide eco services for the area. Also, those are great pollinator plants, the bougainvillea, the citrinus bottlebrush, and then the Techomeria, Cape honeysuckle. It's one of the favorites of hummingbirds. So just take note of everything that's going on here. It's really a great thing. It seems like the environmental movement has taken off, permaculture. I encourage you to watch movies like Kiss the Ground. Yeah, really, really cool stuff. Lots of stuff going on, really good stuff going on. This is a strawberry guava. There's the flowers and there's the fruit. It's just the flowers turn into fruit, obviously. So that is gonna have a bumper crop this year. And we moved it over because the homeowner would like to view it from the top deck. So here it is. So this is the overall view of our latest native garden designed and installed by Enviroscape LA. For more information, give us a like and give us a call. Check out our website, www.enviroscapela.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.